Yeah, sure. Bafethu, this is the A to the double GA. This is brand collaboration rap scene once again. Vandaag sisokho yathi bafethu niyazi winter kuyabanda, it's June to July. We got Vin Bash in the house, and then singamngena bafethu, the most Nswembu yes rapper ukhona yathi athi sibone inkingi.
Vin Bash nomthakathi. Just the weak brother. The weak brother and happy.
This is brand collaboration rap scene. Yes.
Very ngiyakhuthala mawuthama amanvelile kaso sithi indindile manje sokuvela yabo.
Yeah, sure. Vin Bash mfuthu no thina besincane mhlawumbe ukuthi sibonise iskill because siyazi abathe la ikhona khona iskill esifihlekile but underground sithola yabo. So njengama snakes sithi maybe sithi khwasha nakusikutholile king otherwise grand Vandaag
umjojo.
Yeah, salute mfethu
malami sizelele nilanga vele vela
yeah
shuthi yabona new things that's all sure otherwise I face in also like verses for
months and weeks and years to come.
Yeah, okay.
Alright, perfect. Artist title Vin Bash, and then everything will be according to the show. Vandaag we're not dealing in impahla and stuff like that. We're just showing talent lasekasi ukuthi hey ngabona abantu banje bese ngicabanga ukuthi sekunje. You understand?
Well, sure. Okay, right, yo. Sayikhathele ngayikhothi eyikhothayo sihlephula ulimi lolu eyancela ubeleni likanyoka enkomeni yase ngankehle estikini lalimanekile liqhude ngenkathi izindala zombili ingude efrijini ngadlali ngamini angeke nibhale nami hlalani phansi naseskini ngiyazi nina nibhalile ngamende nazi abaphathi kimi bafuna igazi lantshela kule term uzothi condition eyani ngoba imigomo imibandela senizeniza ngensoma basukela okenganekwane phethe udumo lamaphela udlula umbani abaziyo bazokutshela yimo number 1 Coza ikwazi ukuphela yini intwana encane ngiflowa deep escape submarine clever ngathi igange emfulweni siboshwa sitholakala emadamini laba abahlale basejivini yothi abantu bahlaba escape ikazi ngayokaka kuthiwa anal menstruation phila impilo yakho ungazenza into ongasiyo ngoba uzothola kwa pick it up ufuna udosi lakho angithi walahla amasiko ingakho abaphansi bakuflathela nophirondi ya chest abasena hliziyo family tree nama roots umndeni ongenasimilo bokufaka amaphiki enyaweni ngoba wena you think you can go further rapper nezi nje emaqhaweni ngaqala ukuthi nje F swagger rapper ngicoma ngichoshi kule ngulube ngihlini kule daka ngihlini ingulube yo fuck out vele since amagenge vele avelile ngoba udaka ngingaringa naye malanga ngangitshela ukuthi afeli uzovela noma awuthi sizophusha ispan athola big up yabo cause like ukukhuluma ngayifeli amakhulu yadayisi yathusha zakhipha athola but into enokuleka ne usanubona ngazathi shuthi usanubona ngazathi izinto ziyama cause of in like yimi ngiwane fela umuntu ongazathi ulandelela le craft or le music ongushaya yathola so we support iyaleka shuthi from supplement ekasi emkonto yabo so la ngiseplazini but ayazi akuna flop cause ngize ngemali nami still futhi sase nalo uthando for videos lengenzayo and ngeke ngiyeke yathola yeah shuthi like nganspitela like a track like some of my verses are really track F around like nigga we F around the tech thina sivele sihlanye check malizovela eliphansi ukuthi izolo bezilele plan yakutshela nigga we fake around the tech thina sivele sihlanye check malizovela eliphansi ukuthi izolo bezilele plan yakutshela bengiphethe umcrown like a treasure choose on me ngihamba phansi ngenza iphepha kwalama journalist nigga we get in my pocket imali engcolile so stains in my wallet tends to be the change that I wanted effing fame for reproduction cause even as I got 8 nigga dozen the only nigga cousin hlanganisa isheleni amasento Mandela kube ipuzzle and turn what into 7 cabinet boom 10 I'm the truth the fact man I'm good with rap cat used to collect tell this me who perfect them talking microphone the fam isikhathi engisifuna i-Rolex i-share umngane ngithembi next akudakwa ifame trapping no have operates ikongo lemoto when you fuck around we be calling the cops like nigga we fuck around the tech thina sivele stanye check malizovela iliphansi ukuthi izolo besilele plan yakutshela nigga we fuck around the tech thina sivele stanye check malizovela iliphansi ukuthi izolo besilele plan yakutshela when the check bounce nigga I go crazy into yomzabalaza umphando ngathi apartheid mangicwala ibhuku lami ngivuka ngibamba iskedi phatha omunye umntwana ekasi ngathi uphile stage that cash umashule Copy the story. Author of this novella was sponsored by Westin. Konto wami Gemshelin, ngazi kahle ngeZambian, Lucifer Heaven, the chef's son in Hell's Kitchen, being a king's every mission, una tomatin, unika SKC, when ngaphaka mina uphume emakitchen. Ayisantsa kanjani. Wena umkhushulu nendaba nginandaba the image to made this food umkake kuphela umculo ngoba intwana isabhala. Like right my wrongs, yeah. Nigga money talks, yeah. You nigga young like offspring. Nigga this best got professor, nigga we around the tech. Tina sivele stanye check. Malizovela eliphansi ukuthi izolo bezilele plan yakutshela. Nigga we fuck around the tech. Tina sivele stanye check. Malizovela eliphansi ukuthi izolo and like gcine ngipopa ngama-fruits on a dice pineapple ngo-11 i-65 yakushuthi incole isaqhutshwe and if i-heaven i-landmine isihohos onamagubhu esilondeni imimpukane zokutshela isokuzonotshutsha i-votex abomadala omalume abobaba omkhulu if sifake inyongo esigamla kakusho ukuthi kuyomele manje isigabha esilungu sijutshu malima Crystal Marisla was that faggot your sister bitch ngizokhosa ngelimlenje akama-niggas with Alex and we going like this higher nigga took a private jet fuck Jesus bitch across my hands cause me and my niggas we so hot like hell bounce check we ever run ukuthi intwana bezilele izolo baby girl ibele lakhe idirimele ngisenge inkomo ngifake igame inzalo yami kube lipunch beligcoka izolo what the food that I cook be like cook best I can do shoot yeah nigga boo kinda cool this is how I do without no rules through you nigga you know I got the tool flow part of the sea roll cut it the sea nigga I'm not hard no but I can green up patch measure master faster best rapper go get up be a better successor they know me, you hold me, you owe me. Like holding the gold, you go take. Me represent my street with my name like street names. Vin Pesh is the name. I confess, nigga, yeah, that's my rap name. Cause I spit shit quick, so listen close when I speak chicks get thrown in my tea and lipstick stick on my tea. I'm looking on the pitch, pay cake on my eat. My ex chick want me back like repeat. Cause she saw a white speech going black on my knees. We the first priority, nigga, we bad. If you wanna sleep with me, bitch, bring it to bed. Cause maybe my metaphors, metaphor, more. All the pussycat niggas who got idol. Me don't play nobody. T was the V even before the crucify car party. So nigga you get me, I'm bro. Nobody can verse me that I'm sure. Please believe it. You nigga you know like once upon a time could have cooked the land, pay dues. Even though Hitler to the Holocaust. If you didn't know niggas take so on edge to build their life. I see ya niggas up kinda like stereos. Look at the watch a quarter place my radio time. Are they gonna play me like these bitches did? Cause I don't want fame to frame me without even taking a peek. The CCO flights on low shedding. Who's got the candy cause I always make a stick and I'm sick can't be cured. I only in short that is my life support, man. Yeah.